Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make free police vehicles for your city. We have a car, a motorcycle, and a van. You can pair these with a police station or simply just have them out and about on the streets. Here are all of the materials that we will need to make our police car. Begin by placing two black concrete on the ground next to each other. Place glow item frames in front of the concretes and acacia buttons left and right of the black concretes. We then want to extend each concrete backwards by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the sides of the vehicle, we want to place an oak trapdoor, one row inwards from both sides and flip the trapdoors down. We want to do this on both sides, of course. We then want to place white concrete above and in between the back set of trapdoors, with a row of glass in front of this and glass pane in front of that. We then want to place a warp slab on the left glass and a mangrove slab on the right glass. Lastly, place white carpet on the remaining glass pane and also behind the slabs, and then place black carpet on top of the exposed black concrete. That is the police car complete. Here are all of the materials that you will need to make your police motorcycle. Begin by placing a black concrete on the ground, behind it a blue concrete, behind that a smooth quartz stair, behind that another black concrete. Place stone buttons left and right of the black concrete blocks. Then place heavy weighted pressure plates on top of the black concretes. Levers either side of the blue concrete. A glass pane on top of the blue concrete with a blue stained glass pane left and then a red stained glass pane right. That is your police motorcycle complete. Here are all of the materials that we will need to make the police van. Begin by placing a black concrete on the ground, a furnace to the right of it, and then another black concrete right of that. Place glow item frames in front of the black concretes and a ladder in front of the furnace. Apply acacia buttons left and right of the black concretes, and then extend the black concretes each backwards by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We then want to apply oak trapdoors here and here along the rows of black concrete. This is one row inwards from both sides, and these are of course going to be the wheels, and we want to do this on both sides of the vehicle. Place a polished black stone stair behind the furnace with a smooth quartz block behind that. Apply an iron bar on top of it, and then destroy these two blocks in the ground and replace them with smooth stone. Add an iron door onto the end of this, and then we want to place a smooth quartz block left and right of the iron door, and then iron bars extending forwards from the smooth quartz. Place smooth quartz joining each one of these blocks together in a ring like this, and then extend the smooth quartz an additional row forwards. And then we want to place glass pane along the front of the vehicle with a row of black carpet on top of the glass. And then behind this, add a layer of smooth quartz stair like this. And then we want to extend these stairs backwards using smooth quartz block until we get to the back. And this is a good opportunity to add a lever like this so that we can actually get in and out of here. We can also add item frames in the top two corners of the back of the van with a blue concrete and a red concrete in them. And we can actually do a similar thing up front along the stairs. Item frames, blue concrete in one, red concrete in the other. And that is our police van complete. And that is the end of this tutorial, ladies and gentlemen, but not the end of the video. We actually have to add these to our city now. So, first of all, I am going to add each one of these into the car lot at the back of the police station. However, I am also going to dot these around town as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do remember to check the description below if you do want to make anything that you may have seen throughout this video that I haven't included as part of this tutorial. Please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.